Hello everyone, today we will study math. So now you can open your math workbook. Open page 87. Open page 87. Ready? If you done, let's start it. Okay, in page 87, practice 5, division with regrouping in hundred, tens, and ones. Number 1, Lisa cannot remember the steps to division. Help her complete the step. A. 4 divide 3 equals 1. We check together. 3 times 1 equals 3. And then 4 minus 3 equals 1. Okay, next. We can read 1, 3, and 1 here. And then you can read 6 here. Next, 16 divide 3 equals 16 divide 3 equals 5. We check. 3 times 5 equal 15. Next, subtract this. 16 minus 15 equals 1. Next, we write like this. 3, 1. Okay. Next, we count this. 18. 18, we write this 8 here. So become 18. 18 divide 3 equals 6. We check together. 3 times 6 equal 18. So 18 minus 18 equal 0. Good job. Next, for point B, you can try by yourself. Okay. Next, in page 88, number 2, divide and complete the number puzzle. For down, point A, 7 divide 2 equals 3. We check 2 times 3 equal 6. And then we subtract. 7 minus 6, 1. And then you can write 9 here. Become 19. 19 divide 2 equals 8. Equals 9. Okay, we check 2 times 9 equal 18. We subtract again. 19 minus 18 equals 1. And then you put 8 here. Become 18. 18 divide 2 equals 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. 0. Done. Next, for B. 8 divide 3 equal 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. And you can put 4 here. 24. 24 divide 3. 24 divide 3 equals 8. 3 times 8 equals 24. So you get 0 here. And then you can put 9 here. 9. Okay. 9 divide 3 equals 3. We check together. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Next, for point C. For point C. For 6 divide 4 equals 1. 4 times 1 equals 4. and then we get 2 here. Next, we write 9 here. 29 divide 4. 29 divide 4 equals 7. We check 4 times 7 equals 28. Next, we subtract. 29 minus 28 equals 1. So we put 6 here. 16 divide 4 equals 4. We check together. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. This is for down. So we can check for down. The turtle A. We can write this 399. 399. And then for B, 283. 283. How about C? C, 174. 174. Okay, so you can doing by yourself D, E, and F, and you can put here after that. Okay, next page. Next, in page 89, number 3, divide 346, divide 2. First, 3 divide 2 equals 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. We write 4 here. 14 divide 2 equals 7. 14. 2 times 7 equals 14. And then 14 minus 14 equals 0. We write 6 here. 6 divide 2 equals 3. Okay, 2 times 3 equals 6. And then 6 minus 6 equals 0. Next, 761 divide 4. 7 divide 4 equals 1. We check 4 times 1 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. We write 6 here. 36 divide 4 equals 9. We check 4 times 9 equals 36. Right? 36 minus 36 equals 0. And then we put 1 here. Because we cannot divide 1 with 4, so we put 0 here. And 1 as remainder. Remainder 1. Okay, so 761 divide 4 equals 190 with remainder 1. Okay, next. 489 divide 3 equals blah blah blah. 4 divide 3 once. 3 times 1 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And then we write 8 here. 18 divide 3 equals 6. Right? 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. And then 9 divide 3 equals 3. Okay, I don't forget to write 9 here. 9 divide 3 equals 9 divide 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay, 9 minus 9 equals 0. Next, 859 divide 5 equals blah blah blah. 8 divide 5 equals 1. 5 times 1 equals 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Now you can write 5 here. 35 divide 5 equals 7. We check 5 times 7 equals 35. Okay, 35 minus 35 equals 0. And then the last, divide 9. 9 divide 5 equals 1. 5 times 1 equals 5. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay, the quotient is 171 and the remainder is 4. Okay, and then you can try to doing by yourself for this, and this. Okay, after that, which path makes the loudest noise? Match the letters to the quotient below to find out. Okay, first we check 190. 190, this one. T, 190. T, 190. T. Okay, next. For 125, there is no. 163. We check 163. U. You can write here U. Next, 171. 171. Yeah, this one. E. For this, and this, you can doing by yourself from here. Okay. Next, open page 90. Number 4, divide A. Okay. 516 divide 2. 5 divide 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. And then you put this number here. 11 divide 2 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Okay. 11 minus 10 equals 1. You put 6 here. 16 divide 2 equals 8. We check 2 times 8 equals 16. And then we get 0 without remainder. Okay, so 516 divide 2 equals 258. Next, for B, 100 B. 145 divide 3. Okay, 14 divide 3 equals 4. Okay, 3 times 4 equals 12. 14 minus 12 equals 2. And then 25, you write 5 here. 25 divide 3 equals 8. We check 3 times 8 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. So 1 is remainder. Okay, so 145 divide 3 is 48 with remainder 1. Okay, next for point C and point D, you're doing by yourself. Next, number 5, divide, then match those with the same quotient. Number 1, number A, 45 divide 3 equals blah blah blah. 4 divide 3, 1. 3 times 1, 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And then you write 5 here. Become 15. 15 divide 3 equals 5. Okay, 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. So 45 divide 3 equals 15. Okay, next, point B. 60 divide 3. Okay, 6 divide 3 equals 2. Okay, we check. 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, 6 minus 6, 0. So we can put 0 here. So the quotient of 60 divide 3 equals 20. You can write here 20. Okay, now we can try to count this first. Okay, 80 divide 4. 80 divide 4. 4 divide 8 divide 4 equals 2. We check. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So we put 0 here. Yes. So 80 divide 4 equals 20. Right? So you can match B and this. Done. Siva just give you one example. Okay, you can write here 20 is M, so you can write here 20 M. How about 40A? Next, you can doing by yourself. Okay, you know already all. If you have a question, you can ask to Miss Ifa after this. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.